Concrete nouns are names of things that you can touch and see. They are the objects around you that have a physical presence. Examples include things like boxes, bricks, and trees. Concrete nouns include everyday items such as books, chairs, cars, and dogs. These are objects that you can physically interact with and easily identify using your senses. A noun is concrete if it names something that has a physical presence or can be experienced through the senses. You can see, touch, smell, taste, or hear concrete nouns. For example, apple, dog, and rain are all concrete nouns. Concrete nouns can be divided into 4 main categories. They include people, such as a teacher or artist, animals like cats or elephants, places, for example, parks or schools, and objects, such as phones or chairs. Concrete nouns are names of things you can experience using your 5 senses. These nouns include people, animals, places, and objects that are present in the world around us every day.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.